Many of us regularly adopt a sleeping posture, such as lying down with closed eyes, experience altered brain activity and physiological functioning, dreaming, and so on. The many bodily systems all depend on sleep, both the non-REM and REM phases of which are considered essential. 1. Sinus affection. The continual airflow also has the potential to dry out your nasal passages, which may have an effect on your sinuses. Your body may try to adjust to the dryness by creating more mucus than usual. The symptoms of congestion, stuffiness, and sinus pain are exacerbated in this state. 2. Can result in migraines and headaches. In particular, if you let your fan run all night and it gets to the point where it blasts dry air, you may find that you suffer from headaches and migraines more frequently. Cold temperatures have been demonstrated to stimulate the trigeminal nerve and restrict the blood vessels in the brain, both of which can lead to a headache. While other studies have found no causal link between fans and headaches or migraines, they have found that allergies brought on by stuffy indoor air can bring on such symptoms. They could be hazardous for people with asthma and allergies if they aren't cleaned routinely. The fans appear to be circulating dusty air into the room at night, as seen by the accumulation of dust on the blades. 4. Falls into a habit. Never disregard other types of compulsion as unimportant. If you discover that you need a fan in order to fall asleep, you may be hooked on them without even realizing it. It will be challenging to refrain from utilizing fans while sick if you need them to fall asleep. This means that sleeping in rooms without fans will be impossible, and you'll likely experience a number of the other problems mentioned. Never subject your fan to excessive use. 5. Dry skin. The steady, forceful blast of air from the fan may be too much for certain people, especially those with acne or dry skin problems like eczema. 6. Respiratory conditions. Asthma, COPD, and other respiratory illnesses. Those who leave their fans on during the night are far more likely to develop symptoms of an upper respiratory infection. Stuffy nose, scratchy throat, sore throat, trouble breathing, pain in the sinuses, rhinitis, and coughing are some of the symptoms. Research has shown that prolonged exposure to an environment cooled by fans increases the risk of developing rhinitis. Nasal breathing, nasal discharge, and nasal congestion were also shown to be considerably more common in individuals receiving mechanical ventilation compared to the general population. If left untreated, these conditions might lead to serious respiratory difficulties. It's not a good idea to just leave the fan on all the time, therefore. It's best to come up with other ways to cool off. You could try having a cold shower or changing into pajamas before bed. Cleaning your fan frequently is especially important if you have sensitive skin or allergies.